In one of our products, almond, ghee, honey spread, we use sprouted and stone ground almond butter. Sprouting increases the bioavailability of the nutrients inside the almond, and it gets rid of the anti-nutrients. And when you stone ground, you keep the enzymatic activity alive, so it's going to help with the digestion and absorption of these nutrients better. Almond itself has a lot of fibers, a lot of proteins, so it's a best food if you are on the weight loss program because it keeps the hunger at bay, it keeps you fuller longer, and almond also has magnesium, lots of antioxidants, it has flavonoids, it has phytochemicals, and all of these antioxidants is important for the heart health because of the high healthy fat, omega-3s, omega-6s, linoleic acid. It's a good brain food. And it also has high magnesium, and that helps with controlling the blood sugar level and also reducing the blood pressure.